Konnichiwa minasan, welcome back to the channel. This is Pradeep Sharma and today we will learn Minna No Nihongo vocabulary of lesson 26. Lesson 26 Minna no Nihongo no vocabulary. So let's start. Hajimemashou. First is mimas. Mimasu. Mimas means to check. Second is sagashimasu. Sagashimasu means look for, search. Third is okuremasu. Okuremasu, which means be late. Fourth is mani aimasu. Mani aimasu, which means be on time. Fifth is yarimasu. Yarimasu, which means do. Sixth is sankashimasu. Sankashimasu. Sankashimasu means attend. Seventh is moushikomimasu. Moushikomimasu, which means apply for, enter for. Eighth is tsugouga e. Tsugouga e means convenience when we are referring to time concerning time. Ninth is tsugouga warui. Tsugouga warui, which means inconvenient. This is same, we are referring to time. 10th is kibun ga e. Kibun ga e is feel well. 11th is kibun ga warui. Kibun ga warui means feel ill. 12th is shinbunsha. Shinbunsha, which means newspaper office or a company. 13th is judo. Judo means judo. 14th is undogai. Undogai, which means athletic meeting. 15th is basho. Basho means place. 16th is borantia. Borantia, which means volunteer. 17th is ben. Ben means dialect. 18th is kondo. Kondo, which means next time, another time. 19th is juibun. Juibun, which means pretty, very. 20th is chokusetsu. Chokusetsu means directly. 21st is itsudemo. Itsudemo means anytime. 22nd is dokodemo. Dokodemo means anywhere. Daredemo. Daredemo means anybody. 24th is nanudemo. Nandemo means anything. 25th is konna. Konna means like this. 26th is sonna. Sonna means like that, when the thing is near to the listener. And anna means like that, when the thing is far from both speaker and listener. 28th is NHK, which is a short form of a broadcasting company of Japan, which is Nippon Hoso Kyokai. This is the broadcasting company of Japan. 29th is Kodomo no Hi. Kodomo no Hi, which means Children's Day, which is 14th November in India. This is India's festival, we can say. And 30th is Idoyasu Toa. Idoyasu Toa means fictitious store. Now 31st is katajukimasu, which is written with an example in bracket nimotsu ga, which means be put in order, boxes put in order. 32nd is gomi means dust, trash, garbage. 33rd is dashimasu gomi o dashimasu, which means put out the trash. And 34th is moemasu gomi ga moemasu, which means burn the trash. 35th is okiba, which place where something is put. 36th is yoko means side. 37th is bin means bottle. 38th is ou means hot water. 39th is gasu, written in katakana and romaji. Gasu means gas. 40th is can means can, a bottle like a cold drink can. This is that can. And 41st is renrakushimasu means to contact. 42nd is imatsutanaa means what shall I do. When we are asking to someone, then we will use this imatana, what shall I do. And 43rd is uchuo means space or a universe. And 44th is uchuusen means spaceship. And 45th is betsuno means another. And 46th is Uchuuhikoshi means astronaut. And this is the last one, Doitakao means Japanese astronaut. So guys, these were the vocabs of Minna No Nihongo lesson 26. I hope you guys have understood clearly. Then please do like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe the channel. Also please drop your comments, which are very necessary, so that I can improve in my next video, which will be lesson 27th vocabularies. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Arigatou gozaimasu. Jai Mata.